Hello everyone, as you've been noticing, I haven't been doing videos often. I've been just kind of doing short, oh my god, my tracking. But, I've been doing shorts a lot lately because I want to try to grow my videos more and my channel to you guys that you start, like, clicking on my, like, videos. And it means so much that some of you are actually, like, looking at my stuff, and I, like, thank you so much for the subscribers I have currently. I just, seriously, ever since I was little, I always wanted to become a YouTuber. I mean, sure, I'm not that big of one yet, but I hope that I can move out to you guys in a way that means something. Do you know what I mean? But, in this video, I'm gonna be building a helicopter. I already have some of it, oh shoot, I already have some of it done, right? So, this is what I have for it. I think this prop here might need to be a little bit... Oh, wait, no, it's upside down. Wait, no, it's not. What am I saying? Okay, so, I'm thinking... Oh, jeez, it's... Okay, well, what should I do on this thing? We need a front, like, thing here. We need missile pods. So, like, RPGs or something. I already have this piece of goop. I forgot about it. Yeah, I do. I don't think I need that for what I'm building. And plus, I don't even own hover pads anyway, so... Forget them. I was like, where did it go? Alright, let's see. I could add a spotlight on it, but I don't want to blind myself when, like, doing something, so... I didn't mean to buy that. Can I... Wait, hold on. I'm just curious. Can I hook this to, like, the actual build? I'm just curious. Like, if I press... No, I can't. Alright. Also, so I made up some money. I have... Oh, yeah, right. I forgot I had to buy the, helicopter back there. So I have some money. I don't see the point in giving it rocket boosters. I want non-temporary things. You know what I mean? Like, maybe an umbrella would help it. I mean, it would make it fall slower. Although it is kind of heavy. I might need more like propelling thrust. That might be a thing I need, definitely, but we'll see. Let's see, what should I put on this? Maybe I'll do, like, I want riot shields, because I want to put this, like, I want to put a riot shield, like, right here on the front, so it actually has, like, a point to look through. I'm thinking maybe I want, like, let's take a frying pan, right? Let's take a frying pan, then let's take a piece of goop, and then I'll do this. Oh, what? Okay, I'll take the piece of goop, put it right here on the side, and then I will take the frying pan and have this as like a lever or something. I don't know, like just something to hold on to for actually flying the plane or helicopter. Stupid. And now, let me think, what else should I put on it? I think maybe I should have... What should I have? I'm not quite sure what I should put on this, honestly. I need some sort of weapon. But not right now. I'll take a tablet and put it on it. Put it right there. Now I will take the tablet, put it like right there. Wait, what? Stop doing that! Alright. I don't know, I just whispered yo to myself. I don't know if you've heard that. Freaking yo. Let's say, okay, yeah. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I was originally gonna make it like a historical, more so, helicopter, like, I don't know, an Apache or something like that. But honestly, I think that'd be too difficult for the game right now. I mean, I could certainly do it, but I also need a saddle that I can put on, like, this part of it so that Hunter could join on here. Right here, maybe? Like, kind of like some, you know, lights to, like, see it so it doesn't crash into a tower or whatever. You know what I'm talking. I forgot those floated away. This is going to be an attack helicopter, by the way, guys. So, this is going to be mainly used in public lobbies. But, I mean, I'm liking it, but I'm not at the same time. I should put on, I think what I should add is I should take 2 pieces of goop. I'll take 1 piece of goop and put it right here on this side of the bat. And then I will take, oh, well, shoot. Can I even grab that? Yes, I can. Okay. Now I'll take another piece of goop, put it there. And then I will take a board. 2 boards, actually. And then I'll, like, add, like, wings right here. I'm, like, gonna angle them down like so. Just a little bit. To add, like, both aesthetic and usefulness. That's not a word, but you know what I mean. Okay, now I'm gonna take this, put it right there, and then voila! Sort of. Actually, I'm gonna move them back a little, like right here. Okay. They're even. That is surprising that I actually got that. I think I'm gonna add another one of these on that. But I don't have enough money to do that right now, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna straight up put other stuff on it, because, yes. I don't know why I didn't just give you a reason and said yes, but I did. Let's take 2 beams. They're rolling away on me, come back! Come back! Okay, now. If I take this and put it, like, right here on the thing, so it will actually give, like, the heli some shape. Instead of just, you know, how it is. Come back. Okay. Now, I'm gonna do the exact same thing, like, right here. I'm gonna make those boards a little farther out also, so that when I actually build the frame, it's not, you know, messing with it and stuff. Oh, I think you could go a little bit lower. Sorry, I have OCD, guys. I don't know if you can tell. Okay. Well, it's not extremely bad OCD, but it's pretty bad OCD. So, in the inside, I'm gonna take 2 bats, like one like so, and then one on the opposite side. Ah. There we go. Now, I'm gonna take 2 more pieces of goop and put them on the end of the bats. And then put the boards on. There we go. Another one. Okay. Is my cat tearing up my carpet? Yay! That's totally a good thing. I hate when it does that. Come on, don't force it to do that. Alright. About the same thing going there? Alright. Let's see what this is like so far. I like it. I actually really like it. This feels cool, actually. I'm just imagining going into a public lobby playing Fortune and Sun, just evaporating everyone with this thing. Oh yeah, I forgot about the light in the back there. My tracking is so screwed up. Okay, well, I'm gonna save its current project. Oh, wait, hold on. Can this still... This might need some more... It definitely needs more forward thrust. Or I could just add, like, upward thrust. That would also work. I wonder what Hunter's gonna think about this. I think this is all I'm gonna do with it for now. Just remember, it's in the making. It's not fully done yet, so it might look stupid right now. But to be honest, I don't think it looks that bad. Alright, $15,000. That's just in case my headset dies. I think I'm gonna keep building it. Wait, hold on. I don't have that much money, actually. Okay, yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the video off here, so. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the video off here, guys. So, hope you had a good day and have fun time watching this video, and bye.